Make perfect crosscuts and miters in boards up to 12 inches wide with the Kreg Crosscut Station. This portable cutting center makes it possible to get miter saw quality cuts from your circular saw. Whether you're cross-cutting at 90 degrees, cutting 45-degree miters, or cutting other angles in between, you can cut with the confidence that comes from this Kreg Guided-Cutting solution. The Crosscut Station guides your circular saw on 2 adjustable rails that you can position to match your saw exactly, so you know it will be guided straight and true while you cut, and that the saw will be positioned at exactly 90 degrees to the Crosscut Station's SureCut backboard. The rails adjust to fit your saw, whether it's left blade or right blade. While the guide rails support and securely guide your saw, the board you're cutting gets held securely in place too. A pair of adjustable hold-down clamps keep the board firmly against the base and against the SureCut backboard, so you can cut without worrying about the board moving around. Plus, the backboard makes it easy to align your material for perfectly positioned cuts. Because the kerf shows exactly where your blade cuts, all you have to do is align your cut line with the edge of the kerf on the SureCut backboard, and you will know your material will be positioned exactly where you need it. And the SureCut backer board combines with the kerf in the Crosscut Station base to support the wood fibers as you cut, so you get clean surfaces and you don't get blowout along the back edge of your board. When you need to cut miters, the adjustable fence holds your saw at the precise angle you need. A built-in scale makes it easy to align the fence for other angles too. The Crosscut Station makes it easy to cut long boards too. Swing open the material support wings and they provide support for your board. You can even remove the detachable blocks and position them farther from the Crosscut Station base if needed. And with the ability to crosscut boards up to 12 inches wide, the Crosscut Station has cutting capacity that beats most miter saws too. Plus, the Crosscut Station is more compact and lighter weight, so it's easier to store, to move, and to use anywhere you want to work. In use though, the station stays put thanks to non-slip feet, or you can screw it to a work surface for more permanent mounting. The Crosscut Station is designed to deliver guided cuts that exceed your expectations for accuracy, and it's built to last with impact-resistant polymer and MDF construction. Because the Crosscut Station is from Kreg, you're also getting more than just a tool. You're getting a company committed to helping you achieve cutting results and project results that exceed your expectations through the simplicity and certainty of guided cutting. Plus, with Kreg, you get a complete line of tools, accessories, support, plans, and educational information you need to succeed. To learn more about the Crosscut Station, as well as Kreg's other products for building DIY and woodworking projects, visit us online at kregtool.com.